Look at that colorful plumage. And what an exquisite song. Oh, hello there. Welcome back to ArcGIS News. I'm Peter Klingman. I'm here today with 5 of the top new features coming to ArcGIS Online in the September 2020 update. We have the credits and activity reports for administrators, a new screenshot widget and position manager coming to the ArcGIS Configurable Apps, configurable tabs in the navigation bar, streamlined item sharing with groups, and a new table widget, plus the ability to autoplay views with view navigation in ArcGIS Experience Builder. But before we get into these features, I want to touch on another important aspect of the September ArcGIS Online update. Beginning September 29th, 2020, the ArcGIS World Geocoding Service will enforce HTTPS communication. This means it's important to update your application code and scripts to HTTPS and test out service requests prior to September 29th, 2020, just so there are no surprises. You can learn more about this change in the link in the video description. Now that we've covered this, let's get into the demos for the new credits and activity reports for administrators. As an administrator, I can now monitor credits and assess activity with 2 new reports. The credits report shows me transaction type and the number of credits used by each member in the organization over a predefined time period. The activity report shows me changes to the organization, members, groups, and content. The activity report, which replaces the present day activity log, doesn't have a 10,000 event limit, runs asynchronously, and I can choose whether I want to see a week or a month's worth of activity that occurred after a specified date. I'm also really excited for the screenshot widget and position manager coming to ArcGIS Configurable Apps. With the screenshot widget in Nearby, Zone Lookup, Media Map, and Minimalist, I'm able to allow our users to take a screenshot of the application with a selected feature and the attribute information displayed in a pop-up, as well as the legend. For Zone Lookup and Nearby, the search results will also be displayed in the screenshot. A lot of our users like to snap this information and save a hard copy, so this will fit in really nicely with our workflows. With the Position Manager, I can tailor the exact location of the widgets for each app that I make, depending on what our users want and the type of workflow that we're doing. As an administrator, I can now simplify the user experience by controlling which tabs appear in the organization's navigation bar for both anonymous visitors and organization members. Under the Organization Settings General menu, I can easily configure the navigation bar. For anonymous visitors, I can choose if I want to hide groups, gallery, map, or scene. For organization members, I can also choose to hide gallery. I can also choose to hide map and scene for organization members that can't create maps or scenes. Organization and Notebook tab visibility are determined by the member's role. At the September 2020 ArcGIS Online update, group owners and managers can batch add items to a group. This means that I can search and use filtering to find the content that my group requires and then select all the items that are displayed on the page. I can also review the items that I've selected and remove them if necessary. Once I have the list of content that I would like to add, created by searching, filtering, and possibly removing items, then I can click Add Items to add the entire list to the group at once. I'm really excited to tell you about 2 new features out of the many that are coming to ArcGIS Experience Builder this fall. There's the new table widget that provides a live configurable view of your layer attributes and interacts with other widgets. For example, I could configure a map widget to flash the feature that is selected in my table widget. There's also auto-playing through views with view navigation, and this provides a dynamic, engaging experience for the content in your Experience Builder application. And that's a wrap for our coverage of 5 of the top new features in the September 2020 ArcGIS Online update. We touched on the new credits and activity reports for administrators, the new screenshot widget and position manager, how administrators can simplify the user experience by hiding tabs in the navigation bar, how group sharing is easier through bulk adding items to a group, and also the new table widget in ArcGIS Experience Builder, as well as the ability to auto-play through view navigation, creating a dynamic web experience. Thank you so much for watching today, and be sure to check out the What's New blog and documentation in the video description below. I think I hear the idiosyncratic call of a yellow-rumped warbler. I simply must investigate. Until next time, reporting live from Redlands, I'm Peter Klingman.